Katchy's insect trap has mastered the art of bug catching. It is designed to trap fruit flies, mosquitoes, gnats, and moths. Katchy works with a triple trapping power. In the first stage, the UV light attracts flying insects who gather under the lamp. In the second stage, the insects are sucked into the machine by the fan. Finally, the bugs will get stuck on the gluey board that not even the tiniest insects can escape from. You'll get visible results in a couple days. Replacing the sticky glue board is simple. Just remove the plastic cover from the glue pad, place it on the bottom of the trap, and close the storage box. Now the trap is ready to catch again. For better results, place the trap as close to the bugs as possible. For example, next to the fruit bowl, plants, or trash bin. Bugs are attracted to the UV light in dark. Want your child to have a good night's sleep? Let the trap remove all the annoying mosquitoes from the bedroom before sleep time. Katchy. Life without the buzz.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Alexa, ask Robovac to start cleaning.
Barry, come on, come on.